Hey guys, hello and welcome to the channel. So today in this video actually I am going to unbox this kit which I had received from my employer, and we'll check out the contents, like what all actually this pack contains. So yes, so let's get started with the unboxing of this kit, and I'll let you know the exact procedure and explanation, like how you can order this and everything about that. Okay, so don't worry about that. So let's start doing unboxing. Okay, so we had to take this wrapper. Okay, so we had received this "Get the future you want" message. Okay, so the box is little bit damaged. Maybe it's in delivery. It's okay. Never mind. We'll check the contents, what all it contains. Okay, so let's open. I don't know from where it gets open. Okay, so it is from here itself. Okay, okay, cool. So we had received first of all this message: welcome to the family, dear colleague, and all the message, the cute message which has been written in this, like, we are thrilled that you chose us as the place to grow your career, and you can check out this. So firstly we have this submarine power to express. Oh my goodness. Okay, cool. So we have this pen which has been done with branding, so you can check. The heavy pen is also heavy and made up of good quality. It's really heavy, and submarine power to express. Okay, next thing we have this cup. Okay, so we have this Capgemini cup with this rubber cap. Okay, cool. And what next we have is this diary, and we can see like it is the magnetic diary, and you can use this for your personal use or whatever, it depends on you. Okay, so it's a diary, magnetic diary, and we received this pen and this cup, and we have this cap as well. Cool. So we have this cap. Okay, okay, and we have this bottle as well. So this bottle have a message: get the future you want, and we have one thing, that is this: get the future you want back. Okay, cool. So I can see this welcome kit have something around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so we have this 6 contents inside this box, and that's it. We have this all contents which are present inside this welcome kit, and the thing how you can order this kit. So basically it is for all the employee. If you once you start to do check-in in your office, you will get the mail. In that mail you have to like, the instruction will be provided to you in that mail itself, like how you can order this, and very much you have to like specify your residential address, and it will get delivered to you. And remember, this can take up to around 2 to 4 weeks depending on your location where you want it to get delivered, and it also depends whether it is in production or it is ready to dispatch. So this all manufacturing things. Basically you will get this around like 2 weeks to 4 weeks, and it will take in this many number of days of process. And I can see this kit. Okay guys, so thanks for watching this video. So we had explored this all the things, and if you have anything to share with us, so you can do comment in the comment box, and please do let us know about your experience as well. And if you consider this video with a good quality and content, so you can make sure to like our video, and please make sure to subscribe as well. So thanks for your time, thanks for watching this video. Thank you, and bye bye.